Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's class, let us see features of Renaissance. In our last video, we have learned about causes or reasons of Renaissance. Now let us begin the features of Renaissance. The thinking of the people during the Renaissance movement, it was quite different from that of the people in Middle Ages. The people's opinion towards the world and men changed. This was called as a humanism. The humanists developed a keen interest in the great literature. Attempts were made to support action related to the human life. On that time means in the time of Renaissance, the people's thinking are totally different. They think very differently, and the people of Middle Ages, the people's opinion towards the world is changed after the Renaissance. This was called as a humanism. The humanists develop a keen interest in the great literature. The humanists have been given more importance to the literature on that time. Attempts were made to support the action related to human life. On that time, the people have been given more importance to the human life. Now let us move on. The work written in English, Italian and German languages by the writer of Renaissance period became very popular. On that time means in the period of Renaissance, the English, Italian and German languages are encouraged and the writers have been written many books. Those books became more popular on that time. Now let us move on. There were the changes in economic and social life. Agriculture gives a place to the commercial and industrial activities. The fundamental changes took place in a social relationship also. Here we see that many changes have been take place. We are all now that Renaissance means itself says that revival, rebirth or new start or new beginning. And that way we see that economic and social life have been changed and agriculture plays a more important role in commercial and industrial activities on that time. The fundamental changes took place in the social relationship of the peoples in the period of a Renaissance. Now let us move on. The main feature of a Renaissance was interest shows by the people in a great cultural and their desire to cultivate it. This is called as a imitation of the best. Here we see that the main feature of a Renaissance is the interest which are shown by the people towards a great culture and their desires, and it would be cultivated. This is called as an imitation of the best. Now let us move on. Migration of Greek and Roman scholars to the Italy. It was the first sign of a Renaissance in Italy. We are all now that Italy is a mother of a Renaissance. The Renaissance having took place in the area of Italy. The many writers and thinkers have been moved or migrated from Greek to Italy. This is became the main future to start Renaissance movement in Italy. Those are all the features of a Renaissance. In the feature of a Renaissance, we see that the thinking of a Renaissance period's people is more different comparatively to the Middle Age peoples, and the humanism have been developed in the area of Italy. After that, we see the English, Italian and German languages book have been become more popular, and many changes have been took place in the area of economic, social, agriculture and social relationship also among the peoples. After that, we see the people have been shown many interest towards their culture and desire. It would cultivate them, and it is also called as a imitation of a best. After that, we see the migration of Greek and Roman scholars or the thinkers to Italy. It will become the main and important sign of a Renaissance in Italy. Those are all about the features of a Renaissance. If you have any queries regarding this, comment below. Thank you for watching this.